Malkusira, horas Natal eu participo da abertura programa CIPCC 2023 e a Beijing.
Of what to do in the house and why of a program, our schedule, what to expect. Your director and the assistant will be Mr. Tian Manager here.
Everyone okay? Suffering from the heavy rains recently. Okay. And on behalf of the property management department, on behalf of all my colleagues, I would like to welcome you to Beijing, China, to Jianwai DRC. Beijing Diplomatic Service Bureau.
Beijing Diplomatic Service existe ka hari ihatinan 1962 no dar Departamento Público ida subordina iha Ministério Negócio Estrangeiro niniokos. Hambrik ka existe liutinan nenulo resingona servi ka presta una serviço ba representante embaixada estrangeiro liu atusat agência oficial internacional sira nomos agência noticiosa estrangeira sira.
Into a comprehensive foreign service group that's covering various fields, including, as you can see, the engineering, commodity trade, restaurant catering, property management, like. And so, as you can see from the old picture, I like this picture very much because that's in the year of 1974. As same old as I am. 1960, with approval or with our dear Minister Premier Zhou, that's the Ministry of Foreign Affairs approved start to build the diplomatic apartments to meet the requirements of the working and living needs of the embassies and residence compound was found, I just mentioned, in 1974. So it's been half a century since. So from this picture, you can even see the development of the city of Beijing.
Iha imagem ne itabele hare ka situação, bele nota situação Beijing ihatinan 1974. Ihan ba itabele hare ka takusidok itabele hetan foho.
The tall buildings, only these three buildings along the Chang'an Avenue.
Enquanto
So you can
iha
even see the
mandar
mountain
asli
ridge
tolo red.
in the distance. So from this picture, the Jianwai DRC, we have also other
Enquanto
diplomatic
imagem
residence
ne
compounds.
aturo situação atual
You know, that's
Beijing
the first
lebih
picture
bele
is
comparar.
Xijia
Iha diferença to
The second
tegas
one,
entre 2023
right corner.
e
That's the
1974.
Liangma DRC residence compound. That's Taiyuan. That's Sanlichur. That's located very close by to the Bar Street. But bad news, Bar Street has been abolished now. Geographical location and convenient transportation. 5 minutes walk to the nearest subway station. And 6 to the Tiananmen Square, 2 kilometers to the CBD area. So at the beginning, I just said, actually, we are living in the heart, in the capital city of Beijing. But as for the DRC, Jianwai DRC compound, so we have 13 buildings. So we have more than 109 apartments. So I had to work again. So, and here, around here, behind the building, it's a gate 3. It's a main gate. It's only allow the vehicle and the personnel to walk in and to drive in. That's the only gate to get in and get out. And 6 building, 4 building, 2. Building 1, okay? Building 13, 14, 15, 16. No, number 1 building. Here is the exit. That's the nearest exit. You take walk from here along the Chang'an Avenue. The the subway station is here. And also we have the East number 2 gate. Between the four, my colleagues were receiving you at the first day you were doing this. During your stay in the GMI DRC, any issues related, contact us by so and you had unforgettable time in Beijing, in China. Thank you all.